Hello there, in this topic we're going to have a look at image hotspots in H5P. So I'm in my H5P folder. I'm going to click into image hotspots. Then what I'm going to do is click on add content, and now I'm going to have a look for image hotspots. Okay, so I have my image hotspots. I'm going to click on details, and then I'm just going to click on use. So I'm clicking on use, and I'm going to call it UDL image hotspot. Then I'm going to search for the image, so I'm going to click on choose, and I'm going to go to my image, and that's going to be UDL image hotspot. So I'm going to open that. Okay, and now you can see the image is there for the hotspot. Okay, so now I got to scroll down, and I have my hotspot icon. So I'm going to select predefined icon, and then I have my predefined icon. So I have stuff like plus, minus, question marks. I'm just going to go plus. The color, I'm just going to leave it at purple. And I'm going to scroll down, okay? So these are my image hotspots for each part of the image. So in this image, I have 5 different icons I want to add a plus hotspot to. So I just got to click on the first image. So this is the marker here. I'm going to type in my header. I'm going to call it inclusion. And then I'm just going to scroll down the page. And in here, I'm just going to put in... So for my pop-up content, for my content item, you can go audio, image, text, video. I'm going to go text. In here, I'm going to type in UDL is inclusive education practice. Okay, I'm just going to correct that there now. Okay, so now I'm going to go down for my next hotspot item. So I just go to click on add hotspot. And in here, I'm going to click on my second image here, and I'm going to type in diversity. So again, under header, I'm going to put in diversity. And then for my content item, again, I'm going to select text, okay? So I'm going to click on my drop down arrow, and I'm going to select text. And I'm going to type in UDL is education for all students. This includes diverse students. 2. Okay, so now I'm going to click on save. Okay, so now we have our image hotspot. So you can see here the plus. I can click on this, and this will show me UDL is inclusive education practice. I can click on this image, this hotspot as well, and again I have diversity. UDL is education for all students. This includes diverse students too. I could equally just add a hotspot here and here and here, but I won't bother for this video. So that's brilliant that we've just done an image hotspot. Thanks for watching.